Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So on higher time frames, monthly, weekly, everything mostly stands the same. We still think that this is bearish picture, and chances on a downward continuation for us looks better than the sharp reversal to the upside. We have warned that after the FTX accident, this probably hardly will be come down really fast, and the echo of this collapse still will sound in the longer term, is touching and spreading over the other participants in the cryptocurrency market. And currently we already know the problems about the grayscale. Actually, we warned about this, that it should come in our Telegram channel last week. And the Genesis and Coinbase also stopped withdrawal and accepting of the deposit on the Solana framework. So this accident actually spreading over the other participants, and that's of course not the good stuff for cryptocurrencies. The major impact actually stands not in the bankruptcy of the FTX or some problems with the transactions currently that Coinbase have. It's Genesis or Grayscale or whatever. The problem in the confidence. So no serious investor will put the money on the market if he will see or she will see this kind of the turmoil. And that's really the big problem currently, because many market participants were expecting that the action should start because the real investors and institutional investors should return back and start buying the cryptocurrency that should put the foundation for the sharp reversal. But in processes that we see currently, hardly it is possible in nearest time. So especially because on some undercover tricks appears with the money laundering using FTX, and more and more questions appears what the cryptocurrency market is and who have created it and for what the purposes it was created. It's because well, it is not simple question currently, and suspicions rising as a snowball. So from that standpoint, we think that the Bitcoin market remains under pressure, not only because of purely economical fundamentals, but also by this some kind of the sentiment, breaking of the sentiment, and losing of the confidence to this market. And well, just think about the same target. So 12 even should be completed in the nearest time, should be reached. Overall performance that we see here mostly confirms that. So market dropped and stand, as we said, remains under the 20,000 area. On a weekly chart, also the same story. We already warned that if market return drops below the lows and stay there without any attempt to show sharp reversal, this looks bearish. And take a look what we have the last week. Very small trading session. This is bearish sign. So market drop, takes minor pause and a tight consolidation. This usually leads to the further acceleration down. Besides, guys, this week on Wednesday we expect really hawkish Fed minutes publications. We have talked about this in our weekly report in Forex market and the gold market in particular, when we have discussed the statements from the Fed chairman, Fed members, Kashkari, Bullard, Collins. So all of them said about more hawkish policy. When the minutes will be publications, I think that this will be the cold shower for the markets. Because currently anticipation stands and expectation stands that rate might be probably above the 5% as soon as in the beginning of the next year. So this of course really bearish background for cryptocurrencies as well. In the lower time frame you already could see the first signs of that. So first of all, we warned last time when we talked about Bitcoin on Thursday that this consolidation in shape of the triangle is a bearish sign, and we would be more prepared for downward action rather than to upward reversal. And you take a look here, recently market has formed the bearish grabber. This has been formed here. suggest the taking out of the stop. So it's really could happen that we could get the breakout of the downside. Target of this butterfly is 1013 even. This is 1618 extension. On the lower time frame, we have nearer standing targets. On the follow time frame chart, if red triangle will be broken, actually it stands right now in the moment of the breakout. It might be another butterfly here. You could recognize it. I just do not put it here, just because you could imagine by yourself, and just to keep the triangle. So first target will be 1480 right there. Next one, 1618, will be 1390. So just 1000 difference between these two targets. This will be the minor butterfly. Speaking about the triggering moments on the hourly charts, take a look. All of them mostly has been completed by the market. So as we warned on Thursday, market could try to retest the 17 even resistance, but we do not believe that this will be upward breakout based on the performance, based on the fundamental background. And indeed, take a look. Right on Thursday, Friday, market has completed its catalyst ripple to sell and drop down. And we warned that keep an eye on these 2 points. This is vital points for bulls. If market taking out of these lows, because this is actually the important level that will put the foundation for the upward action. We have the ABCD pattern here starting from there. We have the grabber that has been formed on the follow time frame chart right there. When market taking out, this will be clear bear sign. Now we consider the market is breaking it down, and this ABCD pattern is not valid anymore. Next step should be the breakout of this area. So if you, in the current circumstances, well, we do not see any chances for taking the new long position. If you would like to go short, here's, by the way, take a look. Minor grabber has been formed, suggesting the taking out of this loss. You could use this current pullback probably, maybe some other levels to consider taking the short position. Use your methods that you prefer to do when you considering taking the short position. But currently, guys, we're not speaking about taking any longs. So suggesting that market soon, maybe in this week, will taking out these lows and it will keep going to the targets that we have specified. So that's our view on Bitcoin currently.